Man, it looks like everything is front running Bitcoin dip. What it looks like. Let me reload this so it won't lag when there's a big fat dump. Also, I need to check if I still have orders somewhere. I might try to long here 92.9 or some shit, but and I would long a breakout now. Like if Bitcoin bounces hard and this breaks above, I think we could see a squeeze. But yeah, this funding is really high again. But I'm really focused on this coin on TIA because it has just such a good chart overall. And FTM, of course, but yeah, I think I need lower here. Comes back to breakout point around here. Would be a good buy. Ooh. But who knows? Idiots are buying already. All right, I want to look at data from yesterday. So we had inflows again, but not that many. Almost none. It's not good for ETH. Bling, 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 bling. Yeah, the algos are really annoying in bull market because you cannot outperform them. It's not possible. Like these bounces on Bitcoin and the bounces on the altcoins, it's insanely tough to get good entries. When Bitcoin is doing this chip chop, you literally just have to sit in something and hope that it rallies off of news, and otherwise, just really tough. All right, we have job openings today, which is already gonna be insanely important in 20 minutes. I would definitely wait for this for making any hasted decisions. And then we have tomorrow ADP, non-farm employment change. And on Friday we should have real non-farm. Okay, yeah, it's on Friday as always. God fucking damn it. I'll focus on this though on Thursday, then I'm here. How to speak? Oh god. Oh god. Yeah, the funny thing is that Bitcoin correlation Jesus fucking Christ, who's buying already? Bitcoin correlation to stocks is at an all-time low. Not all-time low, but like really, really, really low. can't believe we didn't even hit 93.3 or some shit. Sailor buying again. I wonder if we get something like this from yesterday. Like we go back up here, squeeze a little bit above this level here, and then someone slams like really fucking hard. I mean, to be fair, like on the hourly, not much happened yet. I would be extremely careful with FOMOing back into altcoins here. Like, not really worth it. Like, if you can catch something that is really driving off of news or something, but I don't know. I'm personally very careful right now. It's just a really bad spot to be in the market, in my opinion. Even though you could argue it's the best spot to be in the market, right? If you follow this trend line. I have problems accepting that this will hold. I want to see what happens after news, especially like in 20 minutes. And theoretically, we filled the gap. What I was looking for yesterday. All day. Pretty good risk reward here, I would say. It starts accelerating down. I should have put some orders here. Yeah, it is kind of true, Sezi, yeah. In downtrends, the correlation goes up usually. I am not in anything right now. I'm waiting for Bitcoin to stabilize, and the most interesting thing here is TIA for me. It double wicked, but I'm not like it would be okay for me to just buy on a break now above. I think it feels more safe if this starts running. It feels more safe to get in here with a tight stop right now than getting in here. To be honest, yeah, it's nice to have low entries and all, but I really have no clue what Bitcoin is gonna do here. We see some chat candles on Bitcoin back up. It feels safer, but I mean, we had this yesterday too. I thought, okay, this might be the bottom yesterday, right? And then someone slammed like Sailor CWAP back down, and then we went sideways all day, and then just dropped. But yeah, it feels like Euro is selling at the moment. Euro and Asia are selling, and the fucking burgers keep buying, right? It's overall 10:30, 10. Well, actually, no. Here, this was burger time too. But yeah, I'm waiting for news, especially right now. It's so annoying that I was looking at this I was looking for RWA plays, right? Yes, remember? I was looking on CoinGecko, and I looked at this, for example, on a token, which looked good, but I did not consider even looking at RSR, because it's a Dino coin, which was kind of stupid. I should have just longed this. Major fucking breakout here. And the biggest bullshit is pumping right now. Raven coin, dude. I think XRP might actually be fucked now for quite some time, huh? This is not looking good. I don't know who in his right mind is buying now. Are you still long on ETH, Ronick? ETH had some really sad inflows yesterday. All right, so we did fill this gap, this breakdown gap. Yeah, the funding, the Bitcoin funding rates are Dominant funding rates are out of control, right? Yeah. This usually means something. Yes, people are hedging their altcoin positions, but that costs fucking costly, right? Very costly. At least we did wick this level here on ETH, so I could get myself, I could argue myself back into an ETH long if we hold here. And I think this might be the more interesting setup in the Bitcoin. Maybe even anything else. But I gotta, okay, back up. I gotta wait for news though. It's 5 minutes. I gotta wait for news. Yeah, looking good. So far, looking good. This is not too bad in terms of funding. This is still okay-ish. I got out. I got out here yesterday, and then I relonged, and then I got out like around here, I think. But it's whatever. Wait, what? Up 200%. Wow, wow, we. This could be the bottom wick from of the daily, and this could expand, right? Theoretically. Yeah. Mm. Iota going vertical. I want to back in this, but fuck, it's dropping so hard. I want to back in here. Market does not allow re-entries. It's so annoying. At the moment. Two minutes. And then my euro position is probably going to get wrecked. I hope not, but possible. Probably oh. Lose half of my euro position. I'm not really sure what's gonna happen. Right, not much happened. Not much happened on Bitcoin. Happened on Nasdaq. Nothing. Honestly looking good. No. I mean, like yesterday, and then this happened. Top openings up, which is good for the market overall. See if I get completely fucked here. I might. Mm. Oh shit, I didn't get filled. What the fuck? This is pretty interesting as well. I really want I really want a strong 4-hour now. Like if this 4-hour goes like this, well, that would be good, and then it can retrace. Then we can form a bottom here and test the high again, right? But if this decides to flip now, then yeah, I mean, first of all, I'm gonna be wrecked, right? And second of all, it might be GG. I'm really worried about this market. It's going sideways here, crabbing sideways at the top. Not the best sign. Not FOMO, just fact. Uh-huh. The problem is yesterday, this looked also good, right? And then someone slammed it. Someone slammed all of Sailor's buys. Yeah. This looks really good, I gotta say. I mean, it looked good here too as well. Yeah, as I said yesterday, this looked good too, but now we finally filled the gap that I at least wanted to see. We did the thing, right, that I posted on Twitter. I would be fine with this being the bottom now. And I'm also fine if I get completely wrecked and stopped out now, because now at least we filled the gap that I wanted to see the fill on, and we saw a good reaction so far. This was kind of meh yesterday, right? Yeah. I mean, yeah, also the 4-hour looked good yesterday, and I just thought this could get front run, but now we have the perfect structure for at least testing the high, in my opinion. I'm not even gonna be mad if I get slammed now and lose like $600. I'm fine with it. What are we aiming for here? 100% move, huh? I mean, I don't think I can. I won't be able to react anyways right now. Like if someone slams down here now, pretty impossible. And I mean, the licks are to the upside at the moment, anyways, as far as I can tell. 98. There's a lot of licks here. Even at 100 right now. 98, yeah. This is a fairly poor high. Like, could be taken out. I think I will close everything here if we hit this high. Problem is that SPX is moving down slightly. It's not doing much, but it's so choppy, right? Crazy. How choppy this is. But this 4 hour really needs to close like this. It needs a good close. If this 4 hour closes below here, I think everyone will just panic sell again. I mean, it might just do one more wick and then go back up. Who knows? But yeah. Obviously not very comfy if this 4 hour flips now from here. Also, this daily now starting to look good, right? Before this was driving down and it could have closed down here or whatever, and then yeah, it looked like shit. But yeah, I like sweeping this daily and flipping this is a good setup. Yeah, structure is still perfectly fine. So yeah, I'm way more confident than yesterday now, and honestly, yeah, you could have probably just chilled yesterday and not chopped and waited. You never know before. All right, some continuation on FTM. I'm looking for like 140 here. And then I will leave some position running. I mean, theoretically, I'm looking for like $2 or some shit, or like 3, back to all-time high. I think this is very possible with this token. And yeah, always remember, there is no free lunch, guys. There is no free lunch. About a 40% move, yeah. This is also easily possible if the market holds. It looks so good on the monthly. 3-day looks great now, right? I mean, everything looks great for it to run back to these highs. Unless, of course, the market nukes. I mean, the thing is, fundings are okay across the board. Like this is normal for bull market, and this is okay-ish. Yesterday it was like 0.07 or some shit. You might not see full resets for quite some time. My hope is still that ETH will get way more ETF inflows at some point. The retest here. It's theoretically everything looking really good. Now just need nobody to fuck up Bitcoin. No big player market smashing here. Hmm. Bling 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 bling. $207,000 traders were liquidated over the past day on a 2% drop. Why? This is so insane. How can you get liquidated? We didn't even do shit. Yeah. Just 100x, right? Just 100x here and pray that it holds. And don't put a stop loss. I mean, maybe some big player is having fun again today and it's just gonna slam it down. But I mean, we have liquidations up to here, so feels kind of sci-fu. Yeah, I need ETH to catch up. ETH not doing much, unfortunately. Jesus fucking Christ. This is getting scary now. Just end up only into resistance. And we didn't break out. Very healthy chart. Wait, where's my... Where is my linear view chart? Hmm. I might go flat again, break even. I'm not sure if it's worth it holding through this. It's looking like shit again. Might bounce here. I'm gonna put my stop here. Actually here. FTM is going good at least. Oh, maybe the music won't stop. On the daily, like the problem is here, right? This is still just an under test. Could easily flip back. Sad. No, ease. I think my stop is shit though. Honestly. I think it should be here. Don't worry, I'm not gonna move it again. But it needs to be a bit lower. I wish to give, to take, to make, to shake. I wanna see it happen. I want to see to be the one that plays the game without no fears and regrets. I want to know you better than I know myself. I want to feel the end. Enjoy the consequence. The key is don't put a stop loss. Yeah, that's a good key. Nah, fade. Yeah, maybe. I mean, long term it's up only, yeah, but it has like huge volatility, and that's what most people, especially in Germany, that have complete risk aversion, are so afraid of. Right? That's a problem. Oh no, but it went down 80%, and yeah, it went down 80%, and it was still up the Brazilian percentages against any currency since inception. So hungry. You know, the funny thing is, most crypto enthusiasts come from Germany, but that doesn't mean that a lot of the population is into crypto, right? Like it's just, but the most Bitcoin maxis come from Germany. I wonder if this bounce is gonna hold or if it was just Sailor T-whopping again and it's gonna get slammed. Pretty tough to say. Yeah, I feel like I have a better chance getting a big move on TIA than I have on ETH. Probably true, huh? T-Wapor. All right, ETH. Tell me what you got. The little god candle. Just a little bit. Be my little bit. You know what I'm looking for here as resistance. Like, where did we break down from? I mean, theoretically, broke down from here, right? This was a breakdown level. We already above. Where's next resistance? It's not really like a big resistance level. This is... Oh, maybe. Actually, maybe. Like around here. So, if we do this big... Let's do this. This big retracement, right? Full retrace. And FIB is here, 180. I think that's good for big TP, right? No, he can't. Like 5 billion. If you look at the daily volume alone, look, the daily volume alone on Bybit Dodo is 11 billion, right? And yesterday Classic said it as well. The daily volume on Bitcoin is like 112 billion or something across all exchanges. So in general, Taylor alone cannot do much, right? The problem is if he starts T-Wopping and the algos are seeing it, the algos are obviously front running, so it will be like a cascading effect up. The problem is when he stops T-Wopping, it will go the other way around, right? Like it's yeah. The problem is algos that are pushing it. Like the 2 billion that he was buying, yeah, it doesn't mean anything. Cannot move the market alone. Like if it was like 100 billion that he was T-Wopping at once, then maybe. Yep. Exactly. That's it. That's why we are like struggling at resistance right now, and that's why yeah, it's looking so weird or dire or whatever. Not really dire, but it's Jesus Christ. It could look better, let's put it that way. But yeah, I mean, this bounce was good, but it needs to hold. I'm really afraid that we will do something like we did yesterday. Right? And then sweep this low. Like, this looked really good as well, and then we just went from here to down only. I mean, if someone needs selling liquidity, he has it now, right? There will be orders here all the way. I mean, we will go to 100K. The only question is when. H bar up another 18% today. Dude. I cannot believe I fumbled my long down here somewhere. It went another 100%. 140. Jesus. I really wanted to hold some spot of this that I couldn't get myself to. But I think it's undervalued in comparison to all the other stuff like XRP and stuff. But I also think that this category of coins could really need a cooler like XRP, right? And then this will get dragged down. I think with algos this will get dragged down as well. So I think here would be a fine buy. Mm-hmm. Definitely crazy. I mean, it's just orchestrated. It's obviously orchestrated. Someone is doing this. Someone loaded up. I mean, it's pretty easy. If you have tons of money and you can basically, like, those empty order books, right? You accumulate it for years. It's very, very easy for you to calculate how much money do we need to pump it, right? And is it gonna be worth it for us? And then on the way up, you're just opening short positions. It's basically a triple win. You open up short positions on the way up, you farm funding, you have spot, right, to hedge against the short position, and you have tons of coins to dump later on. You just need to be really sure that that there's no counterparty. But if you buy up all the coins, like there will be no counterparty to dump on you. So if you accumulate like they did for years, right, it's a super easy win-win situation. And I'm pretty sure these big firms or whoever is doing this, they know exactly what they are doing. They know exactly what the supply is. They know exactly what the biggest players are. And if you're the biggest player, you can manipulate it pretty easily. And now they're just chilling. They're chilling on really big wins. They probably already reduced their spot holdings a bit. And they might just chill in a hedged position. In a fully hedged position, farming funding and chilling. My little Wall Street traders, I might get fucked here, actually. At least my euro position is bouncing pretty nicely. Oh no, I'm tightening my top. Verge. Oh, I think this was at a really nice bottom, huh? No, never mind, it wasn't. What it was. Alpha. Let me see if this is not sure if this could go for another run. I really have no idea what this does. but I think the setup is decent. I'm getting hardcore front run here on PepTM. No, no. Oh god, this is not looking good. I think I should go flat. Stock market is kind of I don't want to say nuking, but it's looking great. I think I'm gonna go flat and go off. I don't really know what to do yet. It's I want to sit in this. I have a feeling that this is not gonna be working out very well. Overall. Yeah, I mean, for now, this is not looking great. Also, it's over half the day. This is not looking like it's gonna close green. So what we're basically doing is we form more resistance here at the moment. Would have been nice if we pushed through at around market open. Meh. This is really meh. Not really doing anything though. Who the fuck is buying stocks here? Seriously? Oops. Would really like to see what happens down here if we come back. Yep, classic. I know. It's overall so scary, and it's becoming harder and harder to trade altcoins. Yep, I know. Yep, Friday is gonna be big. And unemployment percentage. Don't be too mad, Fappy. I think this could be the top here on FTM for now. Yeah. You might get your dip. Anyways. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna do anything. No. It again feels like it's not worth trading right now. I need to see a couple hours of sideways at least here. But I'm very worried that this will just I'm very worried this will happen. Like we had yesterday, right? This looked good. Like even if it goes a little bit higher, but I'm very worried about this. I think this could easily repeat. Hands already kind of flipped again, and we have who is buying this? Why is this not? I never understand why this is not blowing off like quicker. Like why is it not going like this and then like very quickly down? I mean, it should be more like this, right? Even stocks do these kind of blow up top, blow out tops, blow off top. Jesus. And then you have crypto, and then it's fucking like scamming like this. It's insane. It makes no fucking sense. Ooh. The only thing that I would be interested right now is like micro scalping some liquid altcoins, I guess. Fuck the rest. Leota. Yeah, would be interested if it retests, right? Back down. Be okay. One of the top posts on XRP Reddit this week was someone doing some wonky math on how XRP is destined for $100. Dude, these guys are a fucking cult. Holy shit. Wait, what? They still selling ICO rounds? Wait, what? Oh, we are coming back up. I guess. I think I'm going back off. I need to go to the supermarket and stuff. I'm so hungry. Right, goodbye.